Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of my all-time favorite comfort foods, beef stew. It's hearty, flavorful, and perfect for chilly nights or whenever you're craving something soul-warming. So let's jump right into it. Here's what you'll need for this delicious beef stew. 2 pounds, about 900 g, beef chuck, cut into 1-inch cubes, 2 tablespoons, 30 ml olive oil, 1 large onion diced, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 4 cups, 946 ml beef broth, 1 cup, 240 ml red wine, optional but highly recommended for depth of flavor, 2 tablespoons, 30 g tomato paste, 4 carrots peeled and chopped, 4 potatoes peeled and chopped, 2 stalks of celery chopped, 1 teaspoon, 5 g dried thyme, 2 bay leaves, salt and pepper to taste, chopped fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's get cooking. First, heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the beef cubes in batches and brown them on all sides. This step adds so much flavor to the stew, so don't rush it. Once all the beef is browned, remove it from the pot and set it aside. Now in the same pot, add the diced onion and minced garlic. Saute them until they're soft and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Next, return the beef to the pot and add the beef broth, red wine, if using, tomato paste, carrots, potatoes, celery, dried thyme, and bay leaves. Give everything a good stir to combine. Bring the stew to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low and cover. Let it simmer gently for about 2 hours, or until the beef is tender and the flavors have melded together beautifully. Once the stew is ready, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Then, ladle it into bowls, sprinkle with some fresh parsley for a pop of color if you like, and serve hot. And there you have it, folks, a hearty and delicious beef stew that's sure to warm you up from the inside out. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!